Okay, we're starting Module 5, Lesson 3, Compare Ratios and Rates. Let's start right up here. We're basically taking what we have done and putting it together and adding a couple more things. So, Amari makes orange juice from cans of frozen concentrate and water. The amounts are shown in the picture. So, 3 cups water and 2 cups of the frozen concentrate. Amari wants to make 4 pitchers of orange juice. Complete the table to find how many cups of water and cups of frozen concentrate she'll need. So, let's take a look at our table. If I'm doing one pitcher, frozen concentrate, she's going to need 2. Cups of water, she needs 3. So 2 pitchers. We're going to go up, so that's 4. This is 6. This will just be 3. And if I'm looking at my pattern, this is going to be 6. So that one's done for us. For 4 pitchers, we have 2, 4, 6. This would be 8. 3, 6, 9, 12. For 5 pitchers, we're going up to 10 here, and this is done for us already. Okay, so we're going to look down at this one right here, because this is Amari's down here. Amari's friend Gabriella also makes orange juice from the same frozen concentrate. Using the table, write a rate to represent Gabriella's recipe. So if I look down here for 1 pitcher, she has 3 cups concentrate, so it's 3 cups concentrate. To 4 cups water. So they used a different amount here. So whose orange juice has a weaker flavor, Amari's or Gabriella? So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to compare on this graph. So in the first column, we're going to see if we have any numbers that match up. We have a 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So 2, 4, we have a 6 that matches up. So we're going to look at this one. And we're going to look at this one. So if we look here, okay, so we're going to match up these ones. So for 3 pitchers, Amari used 6 cups of concentrate and 9 cups of water. For 2 pitchers, so we matched up that both of these are 6. Gabriella used 6 cups of concentrate and 8 cups of water. So we need to figure out which one is a weaker flavor. That means they put more water in theirs. And the person that used more water has the 9 cups, so that would be Amari. Amari's is weaker because she used more water in hers. Let's look down here. Miss Morales teaches computer programming. Each student writes an average of 9 lines of code per hour. And that's what's stated right here. So 1 hour is 9 lines of code. My next one is going to be 2. So that means 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 would go there, times 9 is 54, and 7 times 9 is 63. So we completed the double number line. Now we're going to go down here. Ms. Sanchez also teaches computer programming. Each of her students is able to write an average of 4 lines of code every 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes, that would be 3 over 3. They wrote 12. I'm sorry, I'm wrong on that. So 20 minutes, which is 1/3 of an hour, they get 4 lines. 40 minutes would be 8. 1 whole hour is 12. 1 hour and 20 minutes is 16. 1 hour and 40 minutes is 20. And then we have 2 hours is 24. We're going to write our rate using the quantity of 1 hour. So remember 3 over 3 would be 1. And then describe what it means. So I know in 1 hour, they get 12 lines. So 12 lines over 1 hour. Which class writes code quicker? So in 1 hour for Morales, they do 9 lines of code. For 1 hour for Sanchez, they do 12 lines. So Sanchez they do 3 lines more because 12 is 3 more than 9. Let's look at our check understanding. So try it out and then come back and turn it back on to see how you did. We're going to compare the ratios in the tables. Are they equivalent? So we're going to find a number that is the same. And I see 6 here and 6 here. So that's the line we're looking at. Are these equivalent? No, they are not. Because when there are 6 cups of raisins over here, there are 10 cups of peanuts. Over here, when there's 6 cups of raisins, there are 9 cups of peanuts. And I know that 10 cups of peanuts is different than 9 cups of peanuts. Number 2, Ms. Marcus also teaches computer programming. Each of her students is able to write an average of 5 lines of code every 30 minutes. So that states it right here. Which class, Ms. Marcus or Ms. Sanchez's class, writes codes faster? So in 1 hour, Ms. Marcus's class writes 10 lines. If I bring this back up, we're looking at what? Sanchez's class does for 1 hour is 12 lines. So in 1 hour it's 12 lines. For here, 1 hour it's 10 lines. So Sanchez still wins.